Here is a proven way to make money while you are traveling. Don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss these videos on how to save money while you are abroad. House sitters are coming to the rescue of many travelers. Learn how you could get paid from traveling, or even just going on a short holiday and need a house sitter or someone to walk the dogs. Everyone seems to have accepted the fact that the days of leaving your door unlocked are over. The rise of crime is affecting everyone, not just those who live in the larger cities. In fact, homes in rural areas are being targeted like never before due to the opportunity a secluded area provides to the burglar. Statistics tell us that theft of property is among the highest of all personal crimes committed in the United States. While many families do install some type of house alarm, this alone does not bring complete peace of mind. Home alarm devices can be disabled by a crafty intruder. These facts alone would explain why many people are turning to house-sitting directories to help them find a house sitter when they need to be away from home for an extended time. The presence of a human is the main deterrent to a burglar. When you have a house sitter come into your home to live while you are away, you can almost be guaranteed your home will not be targeted by a thief or vandals. While safety is the #1 reason people are seeking out house sitters, they are quickly finding there are many other added benefits. First and foremost, they are saved the cost and worry of boarding their pets while they are away. Pets are happier when they are left in their own environment and kept on their usual routines. Many pet owners find they are not able to enjoy their vacation when they are forced to leave their pets at a kennel. For the individual or family who has to relocate for months at a time, having a house sitter greatly reduces the stress upon a family pet, and the money that is saved from boarding fees can be astounding. A house sitter can see to the many diverse needs of your pet, such as feeding, walking, grooming, playing and health monitoring. House sitters can do tasks such as checking mail, routine lawn maintenance, home repair, and more. Having a house sitter can bring assurance that when you return from your travels you will still find healthy house plants or gardens and that your goldfish is still alive. Your house sitter saves you the expense of arranging for pool and lawn maintenance while you are away, as well. House sitters are also invaluable if a major problem arises within your home, such as a leaking hot water heater or storm damage. So, how does one go about finding a house sitter? The safest way to locate a house sitter is to go through a house-sitting directory. Here in the description you can find a house sitter which can meet your needs. Standard guidelines for a house sitter generally include them taking responsibility of your home, pets and property in exchange for rent-free accommodations. Other individual needs can also be added to your house sitter's guidelines, such as arranging for them to supervise a major home repair while you are away. Share your thoughts in the comments if you need a house sitter or are looking to look after a house while you are traveling. And don't forget to like and subscribe.